to show you how I made my dead Disney escape room. Let's start with supplies. You will need a foam board, tape, Velcro tape, character cutouts, small containers, small baggies, and a lockable box, a VR headset, a phone to TV HDMI connector, large whiteboard, small magnetic whiteboards, and a totally dead Nemo. So I used 3 main puzzles to escape. The first puzzle will involve the VR headset, so I'm going to show you how to set that up. First, we're going to need the large and the small whiteboards. We're going to arrange the 3 small whiteboards to fit onto the large one. Then we're going to outline them so that it looks like a place where you put the code in. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I set up the VR. So go to YouTube and find a VR video. So type in 360 VR or VR 360 and options will come up that involve headset videos. And after the VR video is finished, you want the screen to be black. So find a black screen video next, type in black screen, and you should find like about a 30-minute or hour-long black screen video. Next, make a playlist on YouTube and add both videos to the playlist and make sure you put the black screen video after the VR video. So now when participants finish the video, they can set the headset down and they won't have to worry about like autoplay playing some random video while they're trying to search the escape room. Depending on which video you choose, you're going to want to create a code using numbers that are easy to find in the video. And you want them to be found in order. So you want to put each answer onto one of the small whiteboards. If you have 4, then one of the answers should be an incorrect one so that they have to choose the correct 3 and in the perfect order. So if the participants follow the directions and find the numbers in order, they should be able to choose the numbers and place them on the whiteboard since it's magnetic, and that's putting in the code. So once participants put in the correct code, they should find that particular code or number somewhere in the escape room, which will lead to puzzle 2. So that completes the VR setup. Now we're going to move on to the easier portion of the escape room, which is puzzle number 2. For this one, you will just need the small containers and the clues for this puzzle. Under each one, you're going to want to have a combination of the numbers from the code from the first puzzle, one being correct and the other 2 being incorrect. To do this, you can either label them with post-its or stickers, or you can place them onto blank index cards with the numbers showing underneath. Now, as a clue for this puzzle, certain letters are highlighted in red, and when they put all the answers together, it should all spell out into a sentence. Now, you want to cut out each little answer individually so that participants can take each piece and place them on the correct line. When everything is cut out, fold it up and place it into the container with the correct code from puzzle 1. And then when they solve this puzzle, all the letters in red will spell out something that will lead to the next part. For this puzzle, I used the little baggies, the foam board, Velcro tape, character cutouts, totally dead Nemo, and the lockable box with a key. Okay, the first thing I did was cut out the characters from the character cutouts, which were the 7 dwarves, and arrange them onto the foam board. So for the participants, the goal of this puzzle is to figure out which dwarf is which using the clues. So for the clues, I took a white index card and decided to use emojis as the hints as to which dwarf is which. You can get that at the 99-cent store, or you can create your own way to give clues, but that's how I did it, and it was pretty cool. I cut up another index card and wrote down the dwarves' names on each card with a number underneath, as well as some other adjectives that had nothing to do with dwarves. And then I added Velcro tape under each to attach to each card so that the participants can mix and match to figure out which dwarf belonged to which label. And after they finish mixing and matching, it should reveal some kind of number combination. So puzzle 3 is finished. Now we're going to move on to how to get to puzzle 3. First, I took the key from the lockable box and placed it in a little plastic baggie. Then I hid the little baggie in Dead Nemo's mouth, and that's where they're going to have to search for the next piece. So when they find the key, they're going to have to find the lockbox, which will open once they use the key to reveal the puzzle. And that's all the stuff I put into the box so that when they open it, they can read and follow directions. So after they complete puzzle 3, it's time to escape, and I'll show you how I made that happen. Next, I found some sticker labels and wrote down a combination of numbers, one being correct and the other two being incorrect. I tried to arrange them realistically as to how people would guess so that they could be thrown off a little bit. And then I attached the labels to the little baggies. So once they solve puzzle 3 and as a result choose the correct baggie, inside the baggie will be the message that they have escaped. Yep, that simple. Now for the last part, just remember, in each of the containers and baggies with the wrong number combinations, place some kind of failure message inside, like, you chose wrong, you die, or you ate the poison apple, you're dead, or nope, you're stuck here forever, something like that. Now after all the puzzles are done, it's time to set up. So what we did was took our garage and hung a bunch of black garbage bags to form a maze and left half the garage open so that they can explore for clues. Once they escape, they go through the maze that we created with the bags that led straight to the exit door. Then all you have left is to place all of the clues in random areas in your garage or the space that you choose to use. But make sure the first puzzle is the first thing they see so that they can start there. Welcome to Mickey's Clubhouse. Maybe you'll escape, or maybe you'll die. Sorry, you're dead. I originally wasn't going to do a how-to on this, but I decided to at the last minute and put together all the footage I had from this escape room. So next time I'll make sure to film everything and do it in a more organized manner so you guys can enjoy. But thank you so much for watching.